So we'll go for the next question number 6. It is in the page number 97. Sixth question in the new textbook. Old textbook la page number 130, 10th sum you can go and see there. So here you can see the capital will come in the credit side. Here debitors will come in the debit side. Rent received, that is received income for a credit side. Bank overdraft will come in the credit side. Creditors will come in the credit side. Premises na building meaning, so it will come in the, its asset will come in the debit side. Opening stock come in the debit side. Purchase will come in the debit side. Sales will come in the credit side. Sales return, it will come in the debit side. So return inwards nalo sales return nalo same da. So sales credit side வந்துச்சுன்னா sales return will come in the debit side. Return inwards na sales return in meaning. So this will come in the debit side. Discount allowed na you are giving expense for us, that is coming in the debit side. Discount received na income for it, that is coming in the credit side. Wages expense debit side. Salary expense debit side. Commission paid, that is expense debit side. General expenses will come in the debit side. So here in the previous sum and all, in the fifth sum also is a balance Rajesh is there. Now here also you can see in the books of Rajendran. So we have to write in the books of Rajendran a trial balance as on 31st December 2016 you have to write. So we'll write it as a in the books of Ravichandran trial balance as on 31st December 2016. New textbook 97, old textbook 130. Question number 6 new textbook la, old textbook la question number 10 you can go and see there. So first one what it is there. First one it is as a capital. Capital, what is the amount it is there means capital will come in the credit side. Go to the credit side and write as a 1,50,000. Next is second one what is there, debitors. Debitors will come in the debit side as a 22,800. Next third one it is a rent received. Rent received means income, that will come in the credit side as a 500. How much it is coming as a 500. Next fourth one it is there, bank overdraft. Bank overdraft, it's a credit, it will come in the credit side as a 3,100. Next it is there, fifth one it is there, creditors. Creditors will come in the credit side as what is the amount there, 5,500. Next is sixth one what it is there, premises. Premises buildings same, so it will come in the debit side as 1,46,000. Next is seventh one what it is there, opening stock. Opening stock, what is the amount there, 10,000. Next eighth one what it is there, purchases. Purchases will come in the debit side, it's an expense, it will come as a 45,000. Next ninth one what it is there means sales. Sales it is come in the credit side as a 75,000. Next 10th one what it is there, return inwards. Return inwards means sales return. Sales will come in the credit side. Sales return, return inward nalo sales return nalo one da. Appo sales return or a return inwards will come in the debit side as 1,000 rupees. Next number 11 what it is there, discount allowed. Allowed means that is the expense for you, that will come in the debit side as 800. Next 12th one what is there means discount received. Discount received, it's income for you, that will come in the credit side as 1,000 rupees. Next 13th one, 13th what is there is wages. Wages expense, that is amount is 2,900. Next 14th is what is the amount there, salary. Salary is expenses, that will come in the debit side as 3,500. 15th, so 15th is a commission paid is the expenses. So what is the amount there? 1100. Next is 16th one, what it is there? General expense will come in the debit side. What is the amount there? 2000. So if you add both the sides means it will come as a 2,35,100. Here also if you add means what is the amount? 2,35,100. So both the side equal, you write as a total.